Numberblocks. Let's make even number. The first even number is 2. The first even number is 2. Let's make our first even number. This is Numberblocks 2. Numberblocks 2. Let's make our next even number is 4. 4. Numberblocks 4. Our next even number is 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's create our next even number. Six. Our first even number is 2, second even number is 4, and third even number is 6. Let's make our next even number is 8. Let's make our even number 8. This is the number 8, even number our 8. Let's make our next even number is 10, and this is our today's last even number. Let's make our even number 10. This is our even number. Our first even number is 2. Our first even number is 2. Our second even number is 4. Our third even number is 6. Our fourth even number is 8. And our fifth even number is 10. Our next even number is 12. Our next even number is 12. This is 12. This is 12. Our next even number is 14. This is 14. This is 14, and our even number. Our next even number is 16. Our next even number is 16. This is 16. This is 16, and our even number. Our next even number is 18. Our next even number is 18. Oh, it's destroyed. Okay. I can't build our even number 18. Wow, this is our even number 18. Our even number 18. Let's destroy the all number.